Good evening, parents and students. My name is Mrs. Parker. I am the principal here at Howard Middle School. I am really excited to have you here on our campus this evening to follow your students' schedule. I'm really glad that you've got an opportunity to meet our teachers and to ask those questions that you might have. Hopefully you've learned a lot so far, and it's only third period, so we have some more time to go. In case you are still struggling with the AB day, remember, you can choose which elective that you most want to go to, or since we have 10 minutes in each classroom, you can go to each elective for a period of time. Every day during third period, I do announcements for students. Usually I make some important announcements about some things that are going on around campus, and I also have what I call the words of wisdom to close out announcements. So I'm going to share some words of wisdom with you this evening as well. Our message this afternoon or evening is teamwork. So what do you think is the best way to solve all the problems in the world? Listen to this old Spanish proverb. 3 helping each other will do as much men as 6 men singly. 3 helping each other does as much as 6 men singly. In other words, half the effort produces twice the results when people cooperate and support one another. Think about it this way. Woodrow Wilson, our 28th president, says it like this: the highest and best form of efficiency is the cooperation of a free people. Efficiency means to do with as little effort as possible. When we work in groups, when we choose to cooperate, wonderful things can happen. That's why school clubs and study groups and sports teams are important. So the question of the day is, how can you and your world benefit from your participation in a group activity? Thank you, parents, for being here this evening. Your support and cooperation with our teachers and our school means the world to us. We could not do what we do without your support and cooperation. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Parker. Have a great evening. The choice is yours. Go Bulls.
Good evening, parents and students. Thank you for coming out, and welcome to our open house for the 2022-2023 school year. I am Miss Henson, the Assistant Principal of Discipline, and I just want to take the time to formally introduce myself to parents. Students already know me, but parents, I would like to take this time to say hello. I'm so thankful that you share your students with us each and every day. I look forward to coming to Howard Middle School every day because we truly have some of the best students in Marion County. I wholeheartedly believe that. A little fun fact about me, I actually attended Howard Middle School from 1996 to 1999 respectively, and some of my teachers are still here, like Mr. Larson, Ms. Stowecki, and Mr. Thomas, just to name a few. And so I'm very, very pleased to be back and be able to work alongside such a dynamic group of instructors who work diligently each and every day to provide your child with quality education. I want you to know that as the Assistant Principal of Discipline, it is my job and my duty to make sure that your students are safe and that they are abiding by the rules outlined in the Marion County Code of Student Conduct. So if you haven't had a chance, please look at that. I want you to know it is our sincere hope that we are able to provide a safe and nurturing environment while keeping an academic focus. We are here to serve your students and make sure that they resolve their conflicts peacefully without getting themselves or others into trouble. We thank you. I thank you again for allowing me to serve as your child's Assistant Principal of Discipline, and I hope that you have found open house enjoyable, and I look forward to building a positive homeschool connection with you this year. Have a wonderful evening.
Hello, Howard. I am Miss Sapp. I am one of the school guidance counselors for the alphabet A through L. I also work with ESOL, the mental health side, and I look forward to working with your students through the years at Howard.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Howard. Yes, Mrs. Howard from Howard. And I work with students with the last names with the letters beginning M through Z. I also handle all 504 students, and I work with all students who are in need.
All right, and I am Mrs. Cotton. I'm the assistant principal for curriculum here at Howard Middle School, and this is my 4th year here at Howard. I am the one who everybody knows as sitting behind the computer a lot working on student schedules, but more importantly, my big job is making sure that your student makes it to high school successfully. I just want to talk to you for a minute about how your student gets there successfully. So each year, 6th grade, 7th grade, and 8th grade, students get 4 units. Those 4 units consist of 4 core classes involving English, math, science, and social studies. As long as they successfully pass those classes, they move on to high school. The big thing is, for parents that are here tonight, make sure that you are monitoring your student on the parent portal. If you do not have parent portal access, make sure that you contact our front office to get on it. Also, I want to mention to you that our teachers are always the first line of defense. If there is a situation about your student that you're concerned with, about their grades, their academics, please reach out to your students' teachers first and foremost. They will have the most in-depth information about your student and can fill you in on all of what's going on in the classroom. We look forward to a successful year at Howard Middle School, and ready, girls? Go Bulls!
All right, everybody. How are you, Howard Bulls? This is Matthew Dobbemeyer. I'm one of the deans here at Howard Middle School. If your last name is M through Z, I will be discussing, any of our discipline issues with you. Also, some guidance issues, because I work with Miss Howard, who you've already heard from. You'll see me in the walkways, in my office, or the cafeteria. Please come and see me with any of the things that you need to talk about. Please be open. We want to make sure that you're safe and you enjoy your time here at Howard Middle School.
Hey Bulls, I'm Mrs. Dortch. I'm one of the deans here at Howard Middle School. I service the letters A through M. I'll also be working with Mrs. Sapp. We are working together. If you have any problems, any issues, please feel free to come and speak with us, and we'll do our best to help you solve your problems. And as always, go Bulls!
Good evening, Howard Middle School. It's Miss Hamill here. I'm your magnet facilitator, and I work with the whole school because, believe it or not, we are all IB students. We are all International Baccalaureate students. All of our students here at Howard Middle School participate in the middle years program, where we look at the whole learner, focused on making them into a well-rounded learner. You'll notice that your learner may have some different electives than they would have on other campuses. That's because we value the arts and we value foreign language just as much as we value our core curriculum. So we challenge our learners to excel in all areas. You may notice some different reports coming home talking about your learner's success in different criteria. Those are our International Baccalaureate criterion. We'll get some more information out to you later. The final thing I want to talk to you about today is our learner profile attributes. These are the 10 attributes that we think make a learner the most successful, not just here at Howard Middle School, but in their life in the future. So, you may see some different certificates coming home or an ICIB coupon coming home that indicates your learner showed excellence in one of those learner profile attributes. They range from being caring and balanced to being an inquirer and knowledgeable in different subject areas. You'll see them around campus, you'll see them coming home, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Again, I'm Helen Hamill, Magnet Facilitator here at Howard Middle School. Have a wonderful evening.